This is the E911 Talk Podcast, episode 75, for Monday, March 12, 2012.
Welcome to this edition of E911 Talk with your host, Mark Fletcher, product line manager for emergency services at Avaya. Now, here's Fletch.
This past week on March 6th, the new Avaya DevConnect Select Product Program was announced. This new program, known as SPP, enables innovative developer partner applications to be ordered directly through Avaya and its distributors. This new process simplifies the way customers buy Avaya-compatible technology and opens up new market opportunities for both developers and channel partners. The new program enables both Avaya customers and channel partners to order selected DevConnect technology partner applications from Avaya or its distributors. Previously, these applications were only available directly from the DevConnect partner or their reseller community. Buying a complete Avaya-based communication solution has never been made simpler by eliminating the need for numerous vendor relationships and transactions, as well as streamlining the ordering process for both customers and Avaya DevConnect channel partners. So what enables products to become part of the Select Product Program? Applications are chosen by Avaya based on proven interoperability through rigorous DevConnect compliance testing. Additionally, the important capabilities and functionalities that a particular product brings as an enhancement to Avaya's portfolio is weighed carefully. Of the entire DevConnect ecosystem of partners, only 8 DevConnect technology partners have been selected as part of the initial program, with 2 specific partners, 911 ETC and Conveyant Systems, providing enhanced E911 functionality for enterprise-class users. Now, although the Avaya DevConnect Select Product Program is being introduced in the U.S. only, it is expected to expand globally during the current year as Avaya DevConnect is a global program spanning technology companies in over 145 countries and is focused on the development, marketing, and enablement of innovative third-party products that extend the value of a customer's investment in its Avaya communications portfolio. Eric Rossman, Vice President of Developer Relationships at Avaya, stated, "Businesses can buy compelling third-party applications that work seamlessly with their Avaya platform. We think this will bring new benefits to our customers, our channel partners, and our growing community of third-party developers." So why did Avaya bring in 2 competing E911 products? Well, in reality, we didn't. E911 in the enterprise has never been a box that you simply plug in and walk away from. Managing Enterprise E911 is not difficult. However, you have to define the functionality that you need to provide an effective solution for your particular enterprise. The Conveyant Systems Sentry product provides key functionality for in-building IP users, as well as TDM devices. Location discovery and routing information is provided to the communication server when a device registers, so that proper E911 reporting is available almost immediately after a device receives dial tone on the network. This was a huge step forward from other applications that only provided daily public safety database updates using batch files or deployed other mechanisms that required ongoing monthly billing to achieve any near real-time location updates. When a user on the system dials 911 or any other user defined as an emergency number, the Sentry product provides immediate notification with detailed information provided by the communication server, as well as additional information provided by Active Directory or the network if desired. On-site crisis notification alerts can be sent as an email, an SMS message, or even a screen pop on a computer terminal that contains specific data about an emergent event, such as a floor plan or a map of the facility. This functionality is one of the most important as it provides local on-site personnel situational awareness of an emergency event within their facility. This situational awareness allows them to respond immediately to an emergency situation instead of finding out when EMS or fire pulls up to the front door of the building. When speaking to public safety communications officials, their job is to enable first responders to prioritize what they need to do first, and that's respond. When the ambulance leaves the squad building or when the fire truck pulls out of the firehouse, the detail that they need to have at that point in time is a street address and potentially a floor number. Historically, applications have gone through great lengths to provide that level of detail, which is well known within the enterprise, to public safety outside of the enterprise, and at a great deal of expense. The reality is, public safety dispatchers aren't really interested in your cubicle number. They don't have maps of your facility, and telling them that you're in cube 2C231 really does nothing to decrease the response time. On-site notification, however, provides that level of detail to responders within your building where that level of information is critical and of great interest. The interesting part is, since that information is already available within the network, it's an easy task to distribute that to the relevant parties and even print a floor plan that you can hand to public safety when they arrive on scene. Inevitably, however, applications and controls that are implemented internally simply are not capable of providing information at the level required for remote users, like the VPN telecommuter. Because that model of user has become extremely popular, especially for voice-over IP enterprise deployments, a separate specialized service is required. Because VPN users and the networks that they reside on are quite often not visible to the enterprise network, location discovery becomes difficult, if not impossible. Another problematic scenario is a remote office with just a few workers and no localized trunking. When those users are in another state or simply outside the 911 service zone of the main office, call handling for emergencies can become extremely problematic. To solve this problem, 911 ETC was added as an SPP solution to provide what is called hosted E911 services for these and other problematic environments. By integrating tightly into the Avaya communication solution and our other DevConnect SPP 911 products, specific users can be routed to the 911 ETC emergency network where they're terminated at the appropriate PSAP for the remote caller. For softphone users, their SoftLock product works like a firewall, blocking any communications client from registering without first selecting an E911 reporting location, as defined by the system administrator. The SoftLock application also monitors the remote user for any IP address changes, and then forces them to re-register should they move. So you can see we didn't bring in two competing vendors into the SPP program. We brought in two complementary E911 vendors that have a joint roadmap together to bring efficient and affordable emergency solutions functionality to Avaya customers at a price point that's acceptable. So congratulations to 911 ETC and Conveyant Systems for being selected for the Avaya SPP program for E911 solutions. Don't forget about the IAUG Global Education Conference in Boston on May 20th through the 24th, where next generation 911 will be discussed and Avaya will sponsor the Great E911 Debate, where we'll put the vendors in the hot seat to share the value of their products with you. You can get more details at www.iaug.org.
You've been listening to the E911 Talk podcast with your host, Mark Fletcher, product line manager for emergency services at Avaya. E911 Talk is a weekly podcast available on sites like this, as well as iTunes, and is available free of charge. If you have any comments or questions, you can email Fletch at fletcherm@avaya.com. That's Fletcher, the letter M, at avaya.com. Be sure to listen in next week for more informative topics on E911.